Today's gonna be a sunglasses day. Had to do a bunch of grinding. So right here I've noticed that using my welding helmet and the glasses is not the best view. I think those look pretty good. Let's see if I can get some on the center inside there. The grinding gets a little obnoxious, but it's all part of the game. Anyway, there you go. Too much helmet. Need to wear my glasses more on the end of my nose and try to get the helmet out of the picture. You know what? Makes that pretty solid. I think I need to put a clamp here. I'll have to figure that one out. So the camera glasses work pretty good with the automatic hood. I think I need to turn the hood down just a little bit so that it's a little brighter, but otherwise I think it's a pro, other than the fact that I need to wear them on the end of my nose. Smiley face. That and I kind of sound like Darth Vader under the helmet. Should probably try to keep my head a little stabler than I do too. Might make it not so dizzying. Is that a word? So, the mask works pretty good. I got it a little too hot because it's kind of hard to see. And from what I understand, flux core wiring or flux core welding is a brighter weld than normal. But considering it was part of this package deal for this Built Hard MiG 135 Pro, I'm pretty impressed. Getting all the settings down right, that's a little different story, but let's see how that works. But you can see here, I welded here, 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 and here. I need to move to the other side. When you weld, do you guys push or pull? I always pulled before, but it looks like I'd have better luck if I pushed. Maybe not. Anyway, that's where I'm at now. Let's